Meaning of disposed.
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 Disposed. The term disposed refers to the act of getting rid of something or placing it in a certain location. When an object is disposed of, it means that it has been discarded, removed, or relocated with the purpose of no longer being used or needed. The result of disposing of something can vary depending on the situation. It could lead to the object being recycled, donated, burned, buried, or simply thrown away. Ultimately, the end goal of disposing of something is to either eliminate it from existence or repurpose it in a more effective way.